Hello children, today we will start chapter 5 addition. We have already learned the simple addition of one digit and two digit number. Let us review what we learned. Let's keep 3 in your mind and count 6 on your finger. Yes, you are right. The answer of this will be 9. When you add 3 into 6, you will get 9. Now keep 4 in your mind and count 7 on your finger. Yes, you are right. When you add 4 into 7, you will get 11. Now keep 6 in your mind and count 5 on your finger. When you add 6 into 5, you will get 11. Now let's do addition of the same number by drawing lines. Now put the tally marks against the number 3. Now put the tally marks against the number 6. Now count all the marks. You will get 9. Let us add 4 and 7. We will put the tally mark against the number 4. Now put the tally marks against the number 7. Now add all the tally marks together. You will get 11. Let us review simple addition of two-digit numbers. Let us add 26 and 33. First of all, we will write the numbers in column form. We know 26 is the two-digit number. 6 is at ones place and 2 at the tens place. So we will write 6 under the ones place and 2 under the tens column. 33 is also the two-digit number. 3 is at ones place and 3 in its tens place. So we will write 3 under the ones place and 3 tens under the tens place. Now add the ones. After adding ones, we will get 9. Now add the tens. After adding tens, we will get 5. 59 is the sum of two numbers. Sum is the product of two numbers. It means when we add two numbers together, the answer is called sum. What we need to keep in mind after adding 26 and 33, 3 steps. Step 1. Write in column form. Step 2. Add the ones. Step 3. Add the tens. While doing addition of two-digit number, must follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Write in column form. Step 2. Add the ones. Step 3. Add the tens. You may also add 3 numbers by the same method. Let us add 42, 23 and 14. Must follow the 3 steps. First step, write in column form. So arrange all the numbers in the column form. I have written ones digit under the ones column and tens digit under the tens column. After writing all the numbers in the column form, we will add the ones. The sum of ones digit will be 9. Now add the tens. The sum of 3 number is 79. Now let's do practice of more sum. Add 26 and 62. Write both the number in the column form. 6 at ones place in 26. 2 at tens place in 26. 2 at ones place in 62 and 6 at tens place in 62. Now add them. First we will add the ones, then we will add the tens. After adding the ones number, we will get 8. After adding the tens value, we will get 8 again. 88 is the sum of 26 and 62. Now add 35 and 54. For adding these two numbers, first of all, we will write the numbers in the column form. 5 at ones place in number 35 and 3 at tens place in the number 35. 4 at ones place in 54 and 5 at tens place in 54. Now get the sum of two numbers. First of all, we will add the ones. After adding ones, we will get 9. Now we will add tens. After adding the tens value, we will get 8. 89 is the sum of 35 and 54. Now add 73 and 6. Before writing the number in the column form, we need to check the number. 73 is the two-digit number, whereas 6 is the one-digit number. We will write 3 at ones place in 73 and 7 at tens place in 73. 6 is the only number, so we will write 6 under the ones place. Now add 73 and 6. First we will add the ones value, then we will add the tens value. 7 is the only value at tens place, so we will write 7 as it is. 79 is the sum of 73 and 6. Now add 65 and 24. First we will write the number in the column form. 5 at ones place, 6 at tens place. In 65, 4 at ones place and 2 at tens place in 24. After writing the numbers in the column form, we will add the ones value. We will keep 5 in our mind and count 4 on our finger. 9 is the sum of 5 and 4. Now we will add the tens. Now add the tens value. Keep 6 in your mind and count 2 on your finger. The sum of 6 and 2 will be 8. 89 is the sum of 65 and 24. Now add 83 and 15. Write the value in the column form. 3 at ones place in 83 and 8 at tens place in 83. 5 at ones place, 1 at tens place in 15. Now add them. First of all, we will add the ones. We will keep 3 in our mind and we will count 5 on our finger. Sum of 5 and 3 is 8. We will write 8 under the ones place. Now we will add the tens. We will keep 1 in our mind and count 8 on our finger. After adding tens, we will get 9. we will write 9 under the tens column. 98 is the sum of 83 and 15. Now add 3 numbers by the same method. Write the number in the column form. 8 at ones place and 1 at tens place in 18. 8 at ones place and 3 at tens place in 38. 0 at ones place and 4 at tens place in 40. After writing the numbers in the column form, we will add them. Add the ones first. We will keep 8 in our mind and count 8 on our finger. After adding 8 into 8, we will get 16. Now we will add 16 to the third number. When we add any number to 0, we will get the number itself. So when we add 16 into 0, we will get 16. But we cannot write 16 under the ones place because it is a 2-digit number. 6 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Here we need to write the ones value under the ones place and tens value above the tens place. Here we carry the tens value at tens place. So these kind of a sum are called addition with carryover. Now we will add tens value, but don't forget to add the number which we carry over. After adding the tens value, we will get 9. We will write 9 under the tens place. Let's learn more sums of carryover. Now we have to add 59 and 37. First we will write the given numbers in column form. 9 at ones place, 5 at tens place in 59, 7 at ones place and 3 at tens place in 37. Add the ones. We will keep 9 in our mind and count 7 on our finger. After adding the ones, we will get 16. Now we need to regroup the number again. 6 at ones place and 1 at tens place in 16. Now write 6 under the ones column and carry over 110 to the tens column. Now add the tens. 110 carried over plus 510 plus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. Now we need to write 9 under the tens column. Hence 96 is the sum of 59 and 37. While doing addition of 2-digit numbers with carryover, we need to follow 4 steps. Step 1. Write the given number in the column form. Step 2. Add the ones. Regroup the sum in the ones column is the step 3. Step 4. Add the tens. I repeat, while doing the addition of 2-digit number with carryover, must follow all the 4 steps. Step 1. Write the given number in the column form. Step 2. Add the ones. Step 3. Regroup the sum in the ones column. Step 4. Add the tens. Now add 48 and 25. We will follow the step. Step 1. Write the number in the column form. So we will arrange these numbers in the column form. 8 at 1's place in 48 and 4 at 10's place in 48. Now we will write 25 in the column form. 5 under the 1's column, 2 under the 10's column. Now we will follow the step 2. We will add 1's. We will keep 8 in our mind and count 5 on our finger. The sum of 8 and 5 is 13. Now we will regroup the sum in the 1's column. Write 3 under the 1's column and 1 will be carried over to the 10's column. Now we will follow the step 4 and add the 10's value and write the sum under the 10's column. Hence, 73 is the sum of 48 and 25. Now add 37 and 48. Follow the step 1 and write the number in the column form. Now add the ones. After adding 7 and 8, we will get 15 ones. Regroup the sum in the ones column. Write 5 under the ones column and carry over 10 to the tens column. Now add the tens column. 1 10 carried over, 3 tens, 4 tens, and write 8 under the tens column. Hence, 85 is the sum of 37 and 48. Now add 59 and 33. First of all, we will write the numbers in the column form. We will write 9 under the ones column and 5 under the tens column in 59. We will write 3 ones under the ones column and 3 tens under the tens column in number 33. Now we will follow the step 2 and add the ones value. The sum of 9 and 3 is 12. Now we will regroup the ones column and write 2 under the ones column and 110 carry over to the tens column. Now add tens value and write the sum under the tens place. 92 is the sum of 59 and 33. Now add 76 and 14. First we will write the number in the column form. 6 under the ones place, 7 under the tens place in 76, 4 under the ones place, 1 under the tens place in 14. Now we will add ones. Now we will add ones and after adding the ones value we will get 10. Now we need to regroup the ones column. 0 at ones place, 1 at tens place. Write 0 under the ones column and carry over the 110 to the tens column. Now add tens column, 110, 7 tens and 110. When we add 1 into any number, we get the next number. So, after adding 1 into 7, we get 8. Again, we need to add 1 into 8. Here we will write 9 under the tens column. Hence, 90 is the sum of 76 and 14. Let's revise the addition property. What happens when we add any number to 0? If we add any number to 0, we will get the number itself. It means when you add 9 into 0, you will get 9. If you will add 0 to 23, you will get 23. If you add 0 to 40, you will get 40. What happens when you add any number to 1? When we add 1 to any number, we will get the next number. For example, if we add 1 to 7, we will get 8. If we add 1 to 19, we will get 20. If we add 1 to 50, we will get 51. Third property of addition tells us it doesn't matter in which order you add two numbers. The answer remains the same. For example, if you add 3 to 5, you will get 8. Now we will change the order of the number. Now we will add 5 to 3. When we change the order of the number, the answer remains the same. I hope you enjoy the class and do more practice with the help of the PDF which we sent you through the class app. Thank you so much for watching this video.